about you, but split ends suck. They are like the bane of my existence. You'll never get the best. Sometimes I think about just buzzing all my hair off to avoid split ends, but then I look at a buzzer and get scared. What is the key to getting rid of split ends for good? Well, that is one of the secrets of the universe. I do know several ways to help prevent them though. Tip number 1, hydrate your ends. It's very important to hydrate your ends. Okay, not like that. Rub a little bit of warm olive oil on your ends and just leave it in. This helps nourish your hair and give it an extra shine. Tip number 2, give yourself a trim. It can be daunting to take a pair of scissors to your hair. You know what? I don't got no split ends. I'ma leave the cutting to you guys. Seriously though, a 1/2 inch trim helps your ends stay healthy. Tip number 3, be gentle. It's important to brush your hair gently. You don't need to be brushing your hair like you're raking leaves in the yard. Use a brush with soft bristles or a wide tooth comb for gentle brushing. Also, don't go crazy when your hair is wet. That's when you can do a lot of damage. Tip number 4, use a satin pillowcase. This might sound bougie, but it totally works. Using a satin pillowcase helps to prevent tangling and breakage while you're sleeping. Added beauty bonus, satin is better for your skin. Tip number 5, go easy on flat irons. When you use a flat iron or curling iron all the time, ladies, damage on your hair. Know that beauty is pain, but let's take a break from the pain part and help our hair out to be healthy. Thanks for watching this episode, and I'll see you next time.